Décision Plus est au service des investisseurs boursiers depuis 1987, au tout début de l'autonomie boursière. Notre logiciel de graphique Market Vision Plus et notre logiciel de code dynamique Trader Plus en ont fait sa renommée. Nous sommes encore ici parce que nous évoluons sans cesse et que nous servons bien nos clients. Découvrez nos produits et services spécialement conçus pour l'investisseur actif et autonome dans la boutique Décision Plus. Le logiciel de graphique Market Vision Plus est en français. C'est le logiciel le plus utilisé par les investisseurs de chez nous. C'est lui que vous voyez dans le feu de l'action. Trouvez, classez et analysez plus facilement avec cet outil sans pareil pour suivre la bourse et prendre les meilleures décisions. Gardez vos titres à l'œil avec Market Vision Plus. Consultez la boutique Décision Plus pour en faire l'essai pendant 10 jours sans aucun frais, c'est garanti. Laissez-nous vous guider pour analyser la bourse et prendre vos décisions. Les analystes de Guru.tv feront tout le travail pour vous. De minute en minute, nous classons les titres selon leur situation technique. Nous révélons les signaux d'achat et de vente. Nous publions des recherches poussées et nous prodiguons des conseils en temps réel. Ça commence avant l'ouverture et ça se poursuit jusqu'à la fermeture des bourses. Profitez de chaque cycle boursier avec Guru.tv. Trader Plus, l'instrument du day trader. 50 cotes qui clignotent en même temps. Autant de listes que vous voulez. Graphiques à la seconde. De 3 à 30 graphiques. Des alarmes à volonté. Des listes de cotes préparées. Des modèles graphiques préparés. Prêts à faire feu. Achetez, vendez avec Trader Plus.
Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. It's at 12:45. So the U.S. market rebounding. The Dow is very stronger. Financial stock were strong this morning. If we look the Nasdaq, it's not that strong. We're not able to break the top of 3 p.m. yesterday. But the Dow, we did not hit the high of tomorrow. Same thing for the SPY. TSX is more interesting. It's mostly the energy stock in Canada, and they are just making a new breakout at the point we're talking about just a couple of minutes ago. So there could be a couple of day trading stock for a rebound. I will show it to you. The gold sector is completely flat. Financial is also strong in Canada. We had National Bank's earnings this morning. Stock is rebounding. Most of the stock are only rebounding. But it's very hard to see any positive thing in the market. See, it's just completely stuck. Very hard to trade. I don't think there's enough room on the upside to day trade the bullish ETF. And same thing for the moment for the on the bearish side. So I think that it could be the best is the statu quo on your ETF. Bullish or bearish, not enough volatility today to trade it. And we will, and there's and today it's all about the energy. A couple of mining stock that were strong, mostly the steel stock in the US, not the Canadian one. So, and if we look at the TSX, rebound is stronger, but I think that we could stop very soon or max at 16,300. So we have like another 50 points up, and the resource law continue to go down after the inventory on USO. So I'm surprised that the energy stock are breaking up right now. I will be very, very cautious if I will decide to trade the energy. So one of the best stock for me was Paramount, and we could look at it with a 5 minutes. But there was a clear entry points around 554, and the next one could be 562. I think that this one have a potential up to $6. Kelt, it's harder because we are at the resistance, so I think no and more interesting. Same thing for Mullen. FRE, I think we could see 750, but it could top at this level too. VII is another one that you could still have like 3 to 4% up to $7 mostly. No, 7.30. Sorry, yeah, 7.35. So it's 40 cents. It will be more than 5%. This one was interesting all day, and the next entry point is around 6.98 to $7. A small rebound again on Tourmaline up to 13.50, so it's 75 cents over 5%. Sorry, hit the wrong button. Okay, let's go. Okay, mercy. Okay. Tourmaline, so it's another one. There was a couple of entry points today. One just right now, still able to buy it, 12.77, and it's easy to see the inversion. It could be like 12.60. So this could be one of the most interesting with Paramount for day trading. I will say only, and that's it. So this is it. And in steel, there was a couple of stock also in the US that were strong. So it's a rebound on the SLX. It's not the Canadian one that are interesting, but it could be stock like Rio Tinto. It's a Rio Tinto around $50. It's a breakout. It's more just a rebound on BPH. ArcelorMittal around 12, 14, 20. It's a breakout. ATI, it's one of the best. It's a breakout right now. This one was probably mostly one of the most interesting stock to trade, and this is it for most of the stocks. So it's hard to tell you what to do. Honestly, I think we should stay on the sideline right now. Gold, silver. There's no opportunity today. I think if you are able to if you're still up over 7 to 8%, you should take a profit. You should think about it at 5% under that. I think you probably just missed the opportunity. But right now, gold is flat. It's not going down. Sector is at zero, slightly negative, but there's no entry points on the gold. Same thing on the silver. The stock today were probably in position to take profit if you bought and you did not take. We took a profit example on Eldorado Gold yesterday. We also closed a position on our bearish ETF yesterday when it hit our price paid. After we were able to take a profit on the same day, we recommend it. And that's it. And now the energy sector continue to push. So it's in the energy. You need to see the rebound and to have to reach some target and point. So it's a big point. I have a big question that I receive in French about SNC-Lavalin because I give my advice. I will read it after, but I'm not going to comment it during the show. But it's nothing about the stock. SNC is just going nowhere. It's not far from a new breakdown right now on the stock. I just don't know what's the potential on a stock like that right now. So it's hard to see anything else. I don't have any more questions, so I will end the show right now. So see you next week, same hour. For the moment, I think statu quo is the best, and just be prepared if the market take a direction in the next couple of days. And don't forget that the tariff will start on Sunday, and I think that it's could put the market in some hard spot in the next couple of days. Tomorrow we have the GDP and the state second reading, second quarter. It could give some brief, or it could confirm that we are probably decelerating a little bit faster than what we were thinking about. Most of the time, the data, this doesn't change from the first reading to the second reading, or just slightly change. So it should not move a lot, but if we could have still some surprise. See you next week.